All right, so we got the bros here. Finna go look at the significant damage they both got on the metas. I don't.
Whoa.
Oh Lord.
Hey Tommy, let's turn around so we don't see the damage.
Yeah. Okay, so hold on, give it a second. So yeah. And it's also crazy because I also sold the Lexus, so this is a conundrum right now. All right, you guys, you can come look at the fuckery.
You use mine.
They made it record.
Oh Lord, now they're both recording. Yeah.
That was not that bad.
Yeah.
Nah, it's not bad at all.
Okay. I thought I was. Yeah, the fairing is.
But your bump stops on your pedals, that's fine. That's replaceable.
Your clutch.
Yeah, I was. Yeah, when I was able to figure out that I could use all the gears, I was like, oh yeah, I'm riding home.
Oh, this is replaceable. This is probably the most expensive part right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
How's it seals?
Everything still works.
Nah. Hold on.
Oh, it looks straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good, dude.
Yeah. No, it turned off when I was. Yeah. But I'm pretty sure it's something unplugged.
Hey, Meta, stop recording.
It's probably the most expensive part.
Yeah, that's probably gonna be fairly
Fair,
expensive.
pretty cheap.
So I gotta get sides and front ones. And what about my tail?
Tail.
Or
That's
should
up
or
to you. You really don't need it. You really don't need it because this part right here. Saved
my
it.
spools? Okay.
Saved it. The right side is completely fine.
Yeah, the right side was fine. The it mostly just took the damage on the left side, and the frame slider really came in clutch for real.
Whoa.
Yeah.
It's just hitting the fucking.
Yeah, is that the fork or what is that?
No, it's hitting the headlight because the headlight's pushed in. See?
Okay. Okay, so I did unplug my TNT screen. Okay, that's good.
Let's
And-
plug it back in and just make sure it's. Hold on.
Yep.
There we go. Grass. Ass grass.
Bet. And you know what you need to do when you get here?
She missing the whole front. She look like a naked bike.
Bend that ass over. Make that coochie breathe. Hands on your knees.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
You guys, we are back here at the storage unit, and this is the finished product of the gas tank. You could kind of see the split coloring, but from a distance, you cannot tell that this is painted. But yes, I finally got the gas tank finished up, so now I could finish. I gotta put the decal on. Thankfully, he left the embossment, or like where you could kind of see like where the old one was at, so I could put like the new decal on. But yeah, let's I'm gonna wait for Tommy. Well, I'm not gonna wait. I'm gonna start putting some of the stuff together, and then when Tommy gets here, we're gonna try to put like the gas tank together. The front headlight, I want to try to see if we could put together, or I'm gonna attempt to attack this and see, you know, like once he gets here, trying to make sure it's all straight and everything. Put the handlebar back together. I had ordered a replacement foot peg because the one I had ordered was for the rear ones, or the passenger foot pegs. So I gotta wait for this. So now it looks kind of goofy with just one, but I ordered a new shift fork. I gotta make sure once we get everything put on that it, you know, properly works. But I test fitted it, or not test fitted. I did some test shifts, if you want to say it. But yeah, I got on it and everything, so it goes into gear and everything. So yeah, let's start putting this stuff together. All right, so the brother man, Tommy has came. He's over here up that pizza. I'm gonna show him the mishap. Well, it's not really a mishap, but I'm gonna just show him the kerfuckle of what's going on with the whole mismatched color with the, you can see that this is a lighter green, and then this is from the older one, and then that's the older one, so you can kind of see the difference. Okay, so You see like how that's like a dark green, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the new fender as I was trying to put it on. Look at the difference.
Oh, it's not too bad. It'll be alright.
And then
Well, I guess, yeah, they're both, one side's darker than the other one.
because I'm gonna still put that one on because you know it's still fucking good. And
So
then
which one's the original?
that's the original one. This is the
new one.
Yeah, the new one. I'm gonna show you another part I fucked up on. So you see like how this is green too? That's silver. Well, at least this part is silver. It's the same one. This is just that's the right side. I have the left one in there though.
So, this is the new one?
That's one from a different one, but it's the same year. It's just a different color pattern. But that's the right side. The left side isn't here.
So I guess what we could do is take the sticker off.
Nah, that's fine. It doesn't matter, bro. Look, as long as like I don't. People are gonna like.
Nobody's gonna notice.
Yeah, nobody's gonna know. I say like fully look at it, but bro, who the fuck is looking at a motorcycle?
Every bolt is in the hole. Every connector.
Yeah, finally making some progress. Let me look at the front. Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, so he pretty much got everything. We're almost done. He got the power bank installed. Got the mirrors. It's starting to look more like a bike. Got the mirrors on. Got the front fascia on. Just got to get the side fairings and this piece on, and bike will be damn near done. Really can't thank this man enough. Gotta give him some good. Damn it, I'm mad he didn't do it when I was recording. Alright, do it again.
First startup.
Yeah! First startup. This isn't the second one, but yes, she lives. Don't mind the mismatched screen. We're just gonna ignore that. Hell yeah.
Finally looking like a bike again.
It's finally looking like a bike. 2 months later, just gotta get the left side on. Huge thanks to this shirtless, I can't call him a bastard because
I don't know my dad.
oh well, shirtless bastard. All right, we got both sides on now. Bike is almost 100%. Oh my god, no! Oh, that's the old one. A bike is almost 100%. And just like that, she's back. Gonna let her down. Gotta rip it around the unit real quick just to get a feel and make sure everything isn't gonna fly off. Yeah, let's go ahead and set her down. Let her fall on this side.
I put the kickstand down?
Yep. Yeah!
Now don't go down again.
I'm not.
Got
Bitch.
them motherfuckers on there. Good, twin.
Good.
Every bolt back in the hole.
Oh man. Feels so good. Oh, it's still in gear.
Put it in reverse there.
It's in reverse! Gotta turn the damn turn signal off. Woo! Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. We are back. Ah. I really can't thank you enough, brother.
I'll be back.
Oh Lord, he's about to get on I can't flip. There we go. It's gonna feel weird with one foot, with no foot peg.
He just can't help himself.
He cannot. Yeah, with one, I'm gonna have to wait till that bitch get here.
How you doing?
Feels good, bro. Your foot is so long.
Oh, I forgot about the.
With the kickstand down, yeah.
It runs good though.
Hell yeah. All right, and that's all she wrote. I really can't thank this man enough. And we're gonna be back on the road. We're gonna be back on the road as he's revving his freaking Hemi. But tune in next time. We'll catch you. Oh yeah, one more thing I forgot to mention. Huge shout out to the homie Dan and the homie Tommy. Dan was the older guy who painted the other side of the tank. He got it. You can't, like I said, you could barely tell from from the respray that, you know, it's a different. Well, it's not really that much of a difference. It's realistically the same thing. Like, you can not even tell unless you like fully look at the split. But who's gonna look at a motorcycle? But yeah, huge shout out to the homies, man. They came in so clutch. I just finished putting on this foot peg. I had to order the right one because I ordered the one for the passenger side. And I just finished installing the quad lock. Also, earlier in the video, Tommy had installed the power bank, so now I can charge the phone. I can charge the phone as I'm riding, and you know, got the quad lock phone mount for the phone. But yeah, I really do appreciate you guys for watching, and let's continue the vlog and continue the day, and back to the video.